Hey friends, this is Maria. I'm just showing you a cool little fun technique here. So this is some carbon paper or duplicate paper, you may know it as, and I'm going to use that with a couple of stencils to transfer those images onto a piece of card. So let's jump in. Okay, so I'm going to just take my cutting plate for my my cutting machine, piece of copy paper, and place my card straight onto there. I'm going to take the carbon paper or the duplicate paper and put that with the carbon face downwards and position my stencils. Okay, try not to press at this point. We don't want to transfer too much of that carbon. Okay, so I'm happy with that, and then I'm going to put the top on and I'm going to run that through my machine as if it was a thin die cut. So here we go, let's reveal, let's see what we have got. Okay, so let's take the stencils away and peel back the carbon paper to reveal a really cool image on there. How cool is that? Okay, so let's make something with that. So just a quick DL card, not too much going on with this one. As I say, I just wanted to share the technique with you. It was one of my I wonder what'll happen moments, and there will be a few videos using the carbon paper. So do watch out for those on my YouTube channel. There we go. So just layer that onto some black card now, give that a little press, and then I've taken just a couple of oddments of white ribbon, so I'm going to pop that around the middle there. Nice strong glue when securing ribbon. Around the back we go, and then just check that that is nice and straight from the front, and then I'm going to glue this piece onto my carte blanche, which I've already layered with a piece of orange card, brighter orange. It's my favourite colour, orange. What's your favourite colour? Tell me in the comments. There we go. Just going to pop that onto there. So I say quite a plain card, this one, but it just sort of highlights quite a cool, fun little technique that I'll be showing you plenty of going forward. So again, little white bow now here, just with an oddment of ribbon. Pop that on with strong glue and give that a good press. Weight it down for a few minutes. There we go. Then we have the finished piece there. And then here's another example with another layout. Enjoy!